backtest the strategy. So as the name suggests, backtest. So we go actually back in time, right? We are dealing with past data, right? We fetch historical data from, from various sources. You can get this kind of data. Least of all, your broker will provide you, your broker can provide you this sort of data if you subscribe for it. Basically, you can buy it from exchange, you can buy it from data vendors, right? Such as, global data feeds, etc. Right? Or you can use one of the free APIs. Now, the thing with free APIs is that, of course, you won't get, that level of information as you would get with, say, a paid data plan. But they are really, really good, like surprisingly good, at least for, EOD data, end of day data. And we are going to see one of them used today, which is the Yahoo Finance API, right? So once we have the data, we can run the strategy on historical data, right? We can see then how it would have performed historically, right? So that is the process of backtesting. And once we have the results, we can analyze it in several ways. We can look at the risk matrix, we can look at profitability matrix. So we can analyze it from different angles, right? So that is the process of backtesting.